There's a lot of different ways to make fries, but my favorite method is to fry them up on the Blackstone Griddle. The first step is to wash and then cut some russet potatoes into thin fries, and then let them soak in water for about 30 minutes to remove some of the extra starch that makes them stick together during cooking. Then you're going to want to boil them for about 5 minutes until they're almost done, but they're still firm. This step is optional, but I find it's way quicker to boil them before throwing them on the griddle. Now throw down some oil on your Blackstone Griddle and griddle them up for a few minutes until you get a nice crispy texture. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. All you gotta do to subscribe is hit that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner of your screen, or hit the icon that is right here, right there. Click that button and you'll be able to receive notifications whenever I post new videos. Also, check out some of my other videos here. Alright guys, see you on the trail.